Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to change your payment method in Netflix for 2025. Whether you're upgrading your card, switching to a new payment option, or just want to stay on top of your subscriptions, this guide will make it quick and easy. Netflix has made some updates for 2025, so let's get straight into the steps. First things first, grab your device and open the Netflix app or head to netflix.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If not, go ahead and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will drop down a menu. Select Account to enter the settings page. Now, scroll down to the Membership and Billing section. It's usually right there under your plan details. Look for the option that says Payment Method or something similar. Netflix might have tweaked the wording in 2025, but it should be straightforward. Click on that, and you'll see your current payment info. Hit the Change or Update button to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to select a new payment method. Options might include credit, debit cards, PayPal, or even new digital wallets that Netflix has integrated for 2025. Choose your preferred one, then enter the required details like card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any hiccups. After you've filled in the info, hit Save or Confirm. Netflix will process this quickly, and you might get a verification email or a temporary hold on your card. That's normal. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. And just like that, you're all set. A quick tip. If you run into any errors, like an invalid card, make sure your payment method is active and supported in your region. Also, remember that changing your payment method won't affect your current subscription, but it's a good idea to do this before your next billing cycle. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.